How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another emergency meeting of the Top 3 Shots. Unfortunately, our friend Matt wasn't able to make it.
Rigged, bro. It's rigged.
Rigged. I told you last time, bro, they deleted my pack, but I got lucky and it was in there.
It
and
is
you're
rigged.
like, nah, you tripping.
I don't
What
know
happened, bro?
I don't know what happened. I didn't reserve it apparently.
So last time, sometimes it lets you reserve your packs. It let me reserve it. It let him reserve it. Then another one came out. I reserved it. He reserved it. And I remember when I got a non-reserve pack, I was like, bro, they took off my next pack. This one that came that I got, it wasn't showing, but fortunately, when I clicked on it, it let me do it. But apparently, Matt, what happened to you? You just opened it up and it wasn't there. What?
I forgot about the drop. You texted me like 5 minutes after, like 11 or something like that, and that's if I got in. I was like, oh, I didn't get in, so I rushed to get in, and then it says, you're not eligible. This is for reservations only, like something like that. I'm like, nah, I literally reserved it. I know I reserved it. We reserved it together, actually.
Yeah, I tried. Yeah, you actually reserved it before me.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Like, what? I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna call. I tried calling you to tell you, like, hey, make sure to wait in line or whatever, but
yeah,
you're busy.
And then Nicole ended up getting in line, so whatever. Doesn't make sense.
Bro, she got a banger, huh?
Yeah, she got who did she get? I forget who she got exactly, but anyways, it was a limited edition, 4,000 circulating. She got like 1,200 serial number.
Oh yeah.
Like,
hell yeah.
I think she put it for $80. It might sell. She might have to drop it to like 75, but it might sell at 80. So that's a big come up. That's a huge one.
Yeah.
That's sick for her.
Was there any that you recognized in her pack or not?
I mean, there was a Chris Paul that was worth $2.
Yeah.
Chris Paul alley-oop pass.
No. Yeah, geez, it's not worth anything these days, huh?
And then it was like a block, and it was a trash block. Another one worth $2. So that was the only one. I remember the person's name.
You're not hyping me up, bro.
Why?
Because this sounds terrible. I don't open this pack now.
Well, she got an $80 card, like, it's just the first. The other two trash.
There you go. All right, let's get this going, dude. I'm down.
You also got a LeBron worth like 12,000. Nah.
The LeBron phenomenon.
The LeBron around.
The LeBron around.
But
phenomenon. That's a funny word.
Oh yeah. Wait, let me see. Well, actually, so yeah. So basically, I didn't get a card.
I want that J. Cole.
Or a pack. That J. Cole. He plays tomorrow.
That J. Cole Top Shot.
Yeah. That'd be sick. J. Cole.
Shout Bro, imagine they make a celebrity pack like from the All-Star games.
Mm-hmm.
They have a Kevin Hart one.
Yeah. That'd be crazy. Didn't he win like MVP like 3 times from like something crazy?
Yeah.
It was somebody.
It's rigged. Rigged.
Yeah, that's interesting though. But Jerry got a pack. Jerry got a pack. Where do you go?
And I reserved another pack. Packs? My packs.
Jerry got a pack.
Hey, let's go.
Let's get it.
Oh, and for people that are interested, I haven't sold any of my highlights yet. I got money in the bank. I'm not in no rush to sell right now.
Yeah. So if any of you guys out there would like to overpay for something, let us know. We'll give you free access.
Whoa.
Yeah. Free access.
Whoa. Let's go. Nah, but Top Shot's gonna want a percentage of it.
Yeah. It's fine though. If the car is only worth like $10, you guys want to give us 100, we'll let Top Shot get their percentage off.
Yeah. We'll take a hundo.
We'll take a hundo.
But yeah.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Release 34.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, it's not
Oh,
playing.
man, we're gonna have to start this over. Huh.
I just gotta throw the pack away. Yeah, it's not playing me. I
Ruiz.
don't know. That's weird. All right, whatever. Whatever. All right,
Whatever.
open the pack.
Here we go.
Open the pack, bro. Now it plays. You can't hear it, huh?
Barely.
Oh, we're rookies. You gotta open the pack
Keep
first.
it playing.
You can hear it?
Keep the music playing. Yeah, barely.
No, I was gonna turn it up for you.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Full volume. This is my pack, so I go first. Was that new? Yo! Did you hear that little screech?
Yeah. Which one you want?
The middle.
He wants the middle. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Carmelo Anthony.
Carmelo Anthony, let's go.
Let's get it. Nice shot. That's one of the worst show numbers we've ever gotten, though. 33,000.
Yeah, for real. Hey, look at the guy defending him. He's all.
All right, not bad. Not bad, not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
I think I'm gonna have to go with
All right, you
far right.
It's limited edition, bro.
What the heck? 35,000? But it doesn't have a plus sign, so is it because it's capped at 35,000? I don't know. That's cool though. Maybe that's better.
For now.
Yeah. Far right. Let's get it. 3, 2. Wait. We almost forgot. This is the pack where we're getting a Steph Curry, bro. Remember?
Oh yeah, this is the Steph Curry pack. Yeah.
All right, so that's not.
I would have got it if I called it earlier, Dan.
Let's get it. Steven
Adams. Let's go. Again?
Behind the back pass. Not bad.
Not bad for a big.
24K. 24 carat.
24K. 24 carat diamonds in the air.
All right. Which one you want?
All right. I'll take the one on the left.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm scared, bro, because we already got the limited edition.
I know. All right. 3, 2, 1. Steph Curry. Steph Curry. 8,000.
Steph Curry. 8,000. Gary Harris. Let's go, Gary. Hey.
Nice dunk. 8,000 too.
Nice dunk. Threw it down.
Contested. Threw it down.
Yo, mama.
All right. I don't know how this is gonna go. This might be shaky. This pack might be shaky. I don't know. We'll see.
Might be shaky. The Carmelo is gonna be worth a lot. It says the Gary Harris is the best.
How much was it worth? A lot.
How many did they pay? A lot.
All right. Which one you want to look up first?
How many times did they pay? A lot. The Steven Adams.
All right. Steven Adams, we got 24,000. Oh, yeah. We can do it right here, right?
24,000. 24,525. 24,525. Tyson Helper. 24,525. 24 highest. Jeez.
I know.
24,525.
$3.
$3.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh God.
We're at 24.
Twen-
Oh
Yeah,
no.
34, 5, 2, 4. $3, bro.
Top shot. Is Top Shot going under?
Going under
$3. Woo.
like I knew. Should I just keep that one or what?
Probably.
Steven
Oh,
Adams,
this
bro.
is limited edition now too.
Yeah, yeah, you didn't see? Oh.
No. Okay, which one you want?
Well, Carmelo Anthony.
All right, Mello. 33,000. Mello. 33,000.
Mello.
He's not the pricier Mello anymore. He's the cheaper Mello.
Yeah, for us.
Okay, $6, the lowest right there.
$6?
That's okay, $4.
For you bastard.
But
Bro.
$5.
Yeah.
$6.
Find
$5,
your
$7.
dreams come true. $5.
$4. Come on, bro.
Bro. Yeah, so $4. So what? We're at $7. About to make our money back, bro. If we make our money back, that's all I can ask.
Exactly. And we got to with Gary Harris.
Yeah,
He's gonna take us to the promised land.
he's gonna take us to the promised land.
8,000. 8,000, Gary Harris.
8,000. I thought you were saying we're gonna get 8,000. I was like, gee, bro. Nah,
No,
we're
we're-
already not. Yeah, we're closer to the low.
Yeah, or
Don't
8,000.
disgrace us like that.
All right, $8 already. $8 already. $6 already.
Jeez, you bastards.
$5.
If anything, we
$4.
can just keep this one.
$3.
$3. No. I'm Shishak.
$3. Mama Scott.
Mama Scott.
Dang.
Jeez, terrible. We got ripped. We got ripped.
We getting ripped tonight.
And that's the kryptonite.
No.
Yep. 1,500. Let's go. We need more people like you.
Let's get it. All right,
So
so that was our best pack.
Worst pack we've gotten so far. I've gotten.
Because we barely make our money back, if anything.
We barely made our money back. Barely. I think we lost because technically we get taxed.
Yeah, we might have lost, which is interesting because, like I was telling you guys, Nicole got her pack and she had 2 duds in there. One she got lucky on, though. That's a lucky pick. So I wonder if the packs aren't going to be as valuable now.
Yeah, that's fine though. We're still up.
Oh yeah, definitely. We're definitely.
Yeah. So I mean,
I wanted to be able to get to a, like be able to buy a couple $100 packs.
Yeah, me too. As long as we're able to make our money back, I really don't care because then we're in the same spot we were before.
Mm-hmm, exactly.
Obviously,
free card, and we need the cards for requirements and all that stuff, so it's not too bad, anyways.
I'm gonna start selling some though because I have some in my collection that I haven't put to sell yet.
There we go. There we go.
Where's my LeBron James at?
Where?
Go down. Oh, was that in your pack?
No, that was yours right here. Hey,
let's go. Look at that, dude. I got the Juan Toscano Anderson, the Luka Doncic.
Let's get it. Let's see where this guy's at right now.
Yeah, we'll just see what the lowest is. Oh, lowest ask. $32. And what number is ours?
22,000.
22. Wasn't it like at $60 the other week?
I think it was. Yeah.
Damn, should have sold it then. All right. Next time I'm not holding on to it. I'm just gonna sell it. You said.
And then this guy comes in, 31 now.
Yeah.
I mean, if they sell though, they'll be 33.
Yeah, well, ours are lower than that, so. For
All right.
real. Not too bad though. Pretty bad actually, but whatever.
Yeah. All right. That was the pack. We got another pack next week too.
Another pack next week.
And we're for
might
sure
not.
reserved on it. We got it. We are reserved. I double checked. So I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
What the
I
heck
hope so.
happened? Yeah.
I need that Stephen Curry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But yeah, hope you guys liked the show. You can't always be a winner, bro, but you know, we're still up.
Still up and it was still fun.
Hell yeah.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Hell yeah.
You can, some days you can land on LeBron.
Sometimes you get a LeBron phenomenon.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. And that's when you're up. It's when you're up, you're feeling up.
I always stay up.
Yeah, you gotta stay up. If you're not staying up, then something wrong with you.
Hell yeah.
No one's gonna
yeah.
hammer it down.
Nope.
Staying up.
Sometimes you gotta take things into your own hands.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
But that was the show. Hope you guys liked it. Comment down below if you got a dud or if you got a banger.
Mm-hmm. Let us know.
Let us know because we're interested. We want to build up this Top Shot community.
Mm-hmm.
But that was the show. Hope you guys have a good one, and we'll catch you next week probably.
For sure with 2 packs.
$2.
$2. Later.
Lates.